Alright, Camaro and Mustang fans, I'm Jeff at Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Today I'm going to take you just for a quick little tour of some new toys we just got in. This being one of them, an absolutely beautiful 1969 Camaro. Pro Touring car. Show quality paint, $7,000 just on the paint, not including the sheet metal. Four-wheel disc brakes. Power brakes, beautiful wheels, beautiful car. Cal induction hood, SSRS options, stunning show car, about $80,000 invested in this one, powered by a 383 stroker motor. Edelbrock fuel injection. Takes two hanging tags to list all the equipment on this guy. Richmond 5-speed transmission. Let's see, I believe this is the Mosier. Yeah, Mosier 12-bolt rear. Absolutely beautiful underneath. Show quality there as well. Let's start it up real quick. Beautiful interior, custom bucket seats, power windows, custom console, tilt wheel, custom dash there, beautiful gauges, 5-speed again. Air conditioning. There's your power windows there. Let's fire it up real quick and we'll go to the next. That's programmable Edelbrock fuel injection. Programmer's right there, mounted on the side of the console. Awesome. This is one beautiful coupe. We just got in a couple hours ago. 1966 Mustang Fastback, outfitted as a GT 350R. The R's, I'm told, came with superchargers from Shelby. Beautiful car, and it's just I can't even describe the blue, but it's fabulous. White stripes, all your GT 350 badging. Awesome sounding exhaust. 302 putting out way over 400 horsepower. Yeah, I got to show you something under the hood on this one. Hood pins, Shelby hood. Right there. Supercharged by Paxton. Awesome show and go Mustang. Fast, sexy. Let's check it out on the inside for a second here. Beautiful Modelita wheel, Cobra wheel. Wrap-around bucket seats, racing seats, correct style Shelby gauges with your tack, 5-speed. Nice stereo system in the car. Let's fire it up. When that supercharger kicks in, this thing rocks and rolls. Another beautiful 67 Mustang Fastback, custom grille. Just getting her first detail while here. Beautiful stroker motor, 331 cubic inches, putting out well over 400 horsepower. Fast. Fresh engine, as a matter of fact, we put it in for the customer. Air conditioning. show detailed. Beautiful candy apple red with the white Shelby stripes. Beautiful wheels. They're like they look like Halibrands, only in chrome. Disc brakes on the front. Neat little Shelby styling there. Drum on the rear. A Mercedes idling over there. Just came in. 4-speed. Nice stereo system in it. Start it up real quick for you. This car definitely will rock and roll up and down the highway. Electric fuel pump. Big camshaft. Nice exhaust. That is the rumble we love. Let's go to the next. There we go. Beautiful Mustang. How about an absolutely show quality 1968 Camaro SS350 show car. Finished in Viper red, just came in. We just got done detailing under the hood. Didn't need much, but we did a couple little things to it. This car is electric red. The sheet metal on this car is just incredible. And the paint. It's kind of like that first Camaro I showed you. Just beautiful. 4-speed. Nice wheels and tires. Nice wood wheel. The beautiful Super Sport hood. Power top is brand new. The underneath of this car is just as shiny red underneath as it is on top. Very stock and original looking inside. Beautiful factory console. Let's see if we can fire this one up for you here. This is one of the prettiest 68 Camaro convertibles we've had in a long time. The money, I mean, this is a rotisserie restored car. That cost a lot of money. Let's take a peek under the hood. Okay. There you go, right there. Beautifully show dressed. Power disc brakes, power steering. 350. Headers. Very tastefully done. You can see by the paint on the inside of this compartment. That's what it looks like underneath the car, the firewall. Just a beautiful piece of Chevrolet history. If you have an interest in any of these cars, I also got another 69 396. Looks like a pace car. Here's that Camaro I was telling you about. 69 convertible, 396 big block, 5-speed manual transmission. Beautiful. We have lots more cars than this. These are 5 that just came in. I'm Jeff Whitaker. If you have an interest in a new muscle car, give me a call. My number is 410-562-9319.